use MyFitnessPal. So we're going to start from the top here. Obviously, if you do not have the app, what you want to do first is open up the App Store and go ahead and type in MyFitnessPal and download the app. Okay, so since I've already downloaded it, I can just tap here to open. All right, so there's going to be a premium version and a free version of MyFitnessPal. Okay, for this demonstration, we will be using the premium version. So that is what that crown in the upper right corner signifies. That little golden crown there means that we have the premium version, which allows us to play around with a couple of more settings that will help us just understand what we're doing a little bit better and give us a little bit more detail into our daily planning. All right, so once you open up the app, you're going to see the dashboard, which is here. You're going to see like these blog posts, okay, and then on the top you'll see your nutrition for the day. So what we want to do here is begin with our diary, okay? And I'm huge on preparation, so I'm going to be giving an example of setting ourselves up for the day after. Okay, so like today is Sunday, so I'm setting myself up for Monday. All right, so we're going to tap over to tomorrow. Okay, now the reason why this is important, because sometimes you're going to receive a meal plan where, depending on whether you're training or not, your nutrition will change. All right, your nutrition plan will change. So let's go into detail on that really quick. So if we tap on the more button at the bottom there and we go to goals and then we go to calorie, carbs, proteins, and fats, we can actually select and set ourselves up for daily macros depending on what days we're training and what days we're not training. All right, so this is a really valuable tool. Okay, so for example here, Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturdays are my days off. My macros are as follows. I'm eating 2,700 calories, 250 grams of carbs, 200 grams of protein, and 100 grams of fat. And then I'm training Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, my macros are as follows. My carbs are at 350. Okay, my protein is at 200. My fats are at 60. So that is what we are going to be setting ourselves up with. So because that's set up that way already, okay, if I go to the diary, all right, and then I go to tomorrow, since it's a training day, you see that the nutrition plan or my daily macros are actually at 2740. Okay, Tuesday will be the same thing, and then Wednesdays, like I said, are my days off. Okay, it's gonna go back down to 2,700 calories, and then that fats increases, and then the carbs come down a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and start filling in Monday. All right, and the beauty with this is that we can actually preload, or load for that matter, recipes in here. So every morning I usually have the anabolic French toast from Greg Doucette's cookbook. So I'm going to type in anabolic French toast and it's going to come up right there. Beautiful. So I'm going to eat that. I usually have some eggs with it. It's about 3 eggs. Okay, typically, lately I've been having 4, so we're going to change that to 4 there. All right, and they've changed the way that this looks sometimes. So if I tap there, you can actually change all of these settings now within like the food menu. So the serving size, we can select that, and you'll see that you get like all the serving sizes of an egg, the number of servings. Okay, so 1 jumbo eggs, 4 servings of 1 jumbo egg. All right, so that's important to be able to understand as you keep delving through this app here. All right, the time that you eat it. So obviously this is incorrect. I mean, the time doesn't matter that much, but if you want more data, you know, in your stuff here, you can definitely plug it in. So let's just say that that's 7 a.m. It's breakfast. Beautiful. All right, so now we have our breakfast all set up, and as you see now, everything is winding down. So I have 303 carbs left, 33 grams of fat left, and 140 grams of protein left. So I'm gonna fill in my lunch. For lunch, I usually have jasmine rice, and these are the minute rice cups. Okay, I'm usually going to have some sort of chicken, so we're gonna insert our chicken. Okay, so the reason that when I tap add food, all of these foods come up like automatically is because I put them in a lot. So the more that you type a food in, it's gonna start coming up and being populated in that recent list. All right, so then I just want to add, I think we're just gonna add some veggies here. So yep, jasmine. So mixed veggies, boom. All right, that's beautiful. There we go. All right, so since Monday is a workout day, we're gonna have some pre-workout, Rice Krispies treats, 2 bars, and then I'm gonna have a scoop of pre-workout. So guys, leaving the First Form links down below. I do receive a commission if you use that link, so I highly appreciate it. If you do use it, if you want to pick up some pre-workout, you want to pick up some protein, highly recommend First Form. All right, so moving forward, so we've selected already our pre-workout. All right, let's go into our post-workout. I know I'm going out of order here, so our post-workout meal. So we got Golden Puffs, there we go. Yeah, we're gonna have a scoop of protein and almond milk. There we go, beautiful. All right, for our snacks, I usually have the Dannon Light and Fit. There we go, so it's usually 2 of them. Where are we at now? Beautiful. All right, so we're still looking for dinner over here. Okay, let's just say, let me do some more chicken. There we go. Potato. Okay, veggies. Yep, mixed veggies again. Okay, I'm gonna do some olive oil with this so that we can fill up the rest of our fats there. Beautiful. All right, now all we have is 40 grams of carbs left. All right, so we're gonna do, I think 50 will do. Yep, there we go. And that is our macros for that workout day. So, all right, that is filled out beautifully. Okay, so now I know exactly what I'm eating. That's gonna eliminate that decision fatigue. It's already filled out. So now what do? We wanna transfer that to the next day, okay? So what we wanna do is tap on edit. We're gonna go ahead and select all. Okay, so if we remember that our workout days are Monday, Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna copy this over to Tuesday, okay? And now I'm pre-filled for Tuesday, okay? So now this will allow us to pack our meals, get everything going, and really not have to worry about what we have to eat, okay? The less we have to think about it, the easier our choices become, the more we can stick to it, all right? The only diet that's gonna work is the one that we stick to, all right? And then lastly, what I wanna do is show you guys really quick, if we were to add a food, you can also scan barcodes. Actually, I'll show you guys how to scan a food and plug it in. Pretty cool feature here on MyFitnessPal. So this is the white bread that I got from 7-Eleven. So let's go ahead and scan it here. So it's telling me 1 slice. So we had 3. Okay, so this allows you to scan anything with a barcode and it will immediately bring up the macros for that particular food, which is another great resource to have, or another tool to have within this app. All right, so beautiful. All right, I think that's gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace. Oh yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. All right, Pearl, I'm leaving now. I'll see you guys.